What's the kitty doing, Ify?
Eating.
Yeah, that's the first time we saw her eat, huh? Can you tell the people listening to the movie what her name is? What's the kitty's name?
Can we go outside?
No, right now it's dark.
We'll wake him up.
What's the kitty's name?
You have to wake him up.
Tell me the kitty's name right now so they can hear on this movie.
Olivia.
Olivia, right.
She's eating no. She was eating once and then she stopped.
That's because she was chewing.
I wonder if that's kitten chow. She's at the age she probably needs kitten food, not cat food. Oh, she's done eating.
Okay, this better.
Honey, we have
Pet her
chicken
gently.
salad.
No, pet her the other way, Ethan. Towards from her head to her tail. Go down. Pet her down. Good. Chicken salad? Okay.
I would like my...
Hi, Olivia.
I'm getting it.
Can I...
What a waste of straw.
Can I
Just save it.
Can I turn her?
No, leave her alone. Don't pick her up. Don't pick her up, please.
Yay. She's smiling and I'll take her picture.
You want me to take her picture right now?
Yeah.